Have you ever felt the sheer power of belief, the kind that transcends the physical realm and taps into the spiritual? Today, we unravel a tale from antiquity that embodies this power, a narrative that has traversed centuries and remains etched in the hearts of many. This is the story of Ezekiel, a simple man chosen by the divine for an extraordinary task. In the ancient scrolls of Ezekiel, chapter 37, verse 1, we find our protagonist in a peculiar situation. Ezekiel recounts an instance when the power of God descended upon him, lifting him in spirit and leading him into a valley. A valley not adorned with lush greenery or sparkling streams, but one that was covered with dry human bones, bones that were parched and devoid of life. There, amid the silence and desolation, the Spirit of the Lord began to speak to Ezekiel. With a question that echoed through the barren valley, the Spirit asked, "Son of man, can these bones live?" A question that would have seemed absurd to any ordinary man, but Ezekiel was no ordinary man. He was humble in his response, acknowledging that only the Lord could answer such a question. Then the Lord commanded Ezekiel to prophesy to these bones, to speak to them, to command them to hear the voice of the Lord. A promise was made to Ezekiel, a promise of restoration. These dry bones were to be restored into humans. They were to live again. And so Ezekiel, with faith as his guiding light, prophesied as he was commanded. As he spoke, the impossible unfolded before him. The dry bones began to form into humans. The spectacle did not end there. After the bodies were restored, they lay lifeless. Once again, God guided Ezekiel, asking him to command life into these bodies. And so it was. Life breathed into the lifeless, a valley of dry bones transformed into a valley of living beings, a testament to the power of faith and the divine. The story of Ezekiel serves as a powerful allegory. It reminds us of the divine's ability to breathe life into situations that seem hopeless and barren. It's a tale of faith, of prophecy, and of divine intervention, a tale that resonates even today across cultures and religions. So, the next time you find yourself amid dry bones, remember the story of Ezekiel. Remember that faith can move mountains and breathe life into the lifeless. Remember that sometimes it's the dry bones in our lives that lead us to our greatest transformations. As we conclude our journey today, remember to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for joining us. I am Christopher, the one carrying Christ within.